Yo, what's up guys, it's me Yuzuka, and today I'll be showing you how to post Scratch projects. So I have an account here. Sorry about that, I keep having runny noses. So you press share after you're done making some Scratch projects. Just like you can set your thumbnail. You can press yes, because the goals is back to 100. So when you press share, look, you can do instructions. Wait. Wait. Never trust the circle with the square world. Never trust the circle in the square world. Wait. I need to mention something. Yeah. Wait. Wait, I just... Wait. Oh. Sorry, I thought the intro spray was there. Sorry about that. You know who's this guy from? Yep. Yep. Whew. Alright, so this stuff and that's it. You can make Scratch projects, but you can post it unless if you have an account. Yep. So I have this and this. Also one of my favorite projects, Mouse API, but whew, yeah, you can remix this project.
They refunded my bucks. They refunded my bucks.
Yeah. So, alright.
Are we sending back?
I'm gonna try to.
No.
Whatever one is it.